Morning, everyone. Kindly inform your friends to join the session immediately so that we can start the session within 5 minutes, guys. Everyone must be there. Good morning, everyone. I'm Annapurna. I'm trainer for Salesforce. I'm certified in Platform Developer 1 and Agent Force Specialist. Guys, is my voice audible to you? Yes. Thanks, Yamuna and Tofizia and Balaji, Bhuvaneshwari, Kashika, and R. Yamuna. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Gayatri, Nisma, friend Abhinaya, R. Nadira, and Raja Mohana. Yeah, good morning, Yamuna. Good morning, Gayatri. Yes. So in today's session, I'm directly going on working on the project, guys. As you know about the different phases in the project, I don't want to waste the time because it will be similar for each and every project. And if you're see, even though I explained about the project submissions at initially, you are keep asking on while developing the project. So what I thinking is like, I am going to explain about the project submissions and GitHub link in this video before wrapping up the session, guys, before ending the session. So definitely we must complete the project by one, right? Yeah, good morning, Divya. Good morning, Pavin, Banu, and good morning, Priyadarshini. Good morning, Makar Bandhu. Sorry, Marka Bandhu. Yeah, good morning, Janani. Good morning, Akshaya. Good morning, Priyadarshini. I think for this batch, we are getting most of the responses from girls. Yeah. There are no responses from the boys. Why? Yeah. Good. I hope some responses from the boys too. Yeah, good morning, B. Good morning, Dhanalakshmi. Vijay Shankar, good morning. Yeah, Mahalakshmi, Aishwarya, Gobinath, Divya, and Raghavi, Anu, Darshini, Ashok, Jayaswati, Abhinaya, Priyadarshini, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, each and everyone. Yeah, good morning, Gopika. Good morning, Dinesh, Agilan. Yeah, good morning. 1 second, guys. Okay, good morning, everyone. Ramya, Gunashekar, Vanmati, Agilan, everyone. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, if you are there, Gunashekar, you can respond, right? That's it. How can I know you are there if you are not responding? So, I'm going to share the screen. Guys, everyone must develop the project in the Salesforce developer arc. Just remember that. So, 1 second. Sorry, I was mute. Guys, just let me know if my screen is visible. If it is visible, just raise your hands. Bhuvaneshwari Gunashekar and Kalaimaran, Kannaki, Madishna, and yeah, Madhumita, Madanisha, and yeah, Nandini, everyone, Natia, Kwanita, R, yes, Sandhya, Saranya. If I miss anyone, sorry for that. Yamuna, Vanmati, Vijay Shankar, then Mozi. Yeah, everyone, thanks for your wonderful responses for each and everyone. Thanks for your wonderful responses, guys. Yeah, I got around 40 responses. Yeah, it's good to see. So here, you know about courier management, right? If there is any parcel, definitely the courier, it will be reached, it will be shipped, and after that, it will be sent to the destination location, nearest location, and from there, the agent will deliver the product. Yes, courier to the customer. So here, You know about the problem statements, how to identify the pain points. We are not going to do all those things now because we must complete the project by one. Here we are having 5 milestones, guys. In this project, we are having not 5, 15 milestones, sorry. But remember, guys, in the fourth planning phase, you must enter, okay? You must submit your team details, team member details, each and everyone names must be there, and your overall sprint, okay? Project development for each and every sprint when you develop date, everything. You must submit these things, update the documents. And so coming to the development phase, here you are having the 15 milestones. Yeah, don't think that we are having 15 milestones, but these are the things all are related to the admin. It is just click, drag, and drop. So you can easily develop each and everything. You can, if you follow the instructions, yeah, you are going to build the project. Don't worry. And our first task is to create the Salesforce developer account. See, if possible, I'll do this project in the developer account. Otherwise, I must use a playground because sometimes it will take, okay, we must use, okay, if you want to create a new developer arc, it will take 1 week. So here, yeah, I'm choosing India. It's already India, right? Yeah, Telangana, I agree. And click on sign me up. Almost there. Guys, I just stopped sharing my screen. Yeah, it take few minutes to receive the verify mail. If I'm not receiving the verify mail, I'm not going to waste the time. I'm going to create the playground. But you must create the arc, guys. Remember, you must create the Salesforce developer arc. Just follow the instructions as mentioned earlier. See, it is I can't create a new arc for this project because I created a project sorry, Salesforce developer arc, I think just yesterday. That's the reason. I think my screen is visible, right? See, it is saying like you are having the active account, you can't do it. So I'm going to use the playground. Just give me a second. Yes. So I'm going to share the screen. Before that, I need to open my Talhead account. Guys, but you must follow the instructions in the first milestone, create a Salesforce developer arc because there will be 2, 3, 4, 5 members in your team. Definitely. By using any one of your team mail IDs, you can create the developer arc. Just go for it. It is. Yes. Guys, is my screen visible to you? If it is visible, just raise your hand. Thank you for the confirmation. Yes. So just click on three dots, and as something is already active, I need to deactivate one of them. Manage arcs. I need to deactivate the, yes, approval process. Disconnect. Once I disconnected it, just refresh. Now you can create the playground. Yes, just click on the playground. This is for the courier management project. Guys, if you are not receiving any mails, you can mention the playground name with your team member details, okay? Not with the project. So we can know, okay, who are working on this project. Okay, you can mention your names. Yeah, it will take some time. Create it. It's working now. It will take just few minutes. And before that, see, this will be done once the playground is completed. But you have to create the arc, follow the instructions, because I have already used my two mail IDs to create the two developer arcs. And if we want to create a new developer arc, we must create after 1 week only. So that's the reason I'm using the playground for this project. But you must create the Salesforce developer arc for your project. And in this project, we are going to create the 6 objects, guys: customer object, shipment object, delivery agent, branch, delivery update, and invoice object. And these are the relationships. This is the first milestone which we are working on. You know, right? It's very easy to create the, it's taking time. If anything else is there, I'll just delete them. I'll close the tabs, unwanted tabs. So yes, it's still going. Okay, I'll give you the overview here. Yes. Now, in the courier management, as I said earlier, we are going to create the 6 objects and tabs for the 6 objects. And then we are working on the fields and relationships. Next, fields and relationships, we must create all the fields. Okay, and then once that is done, we are going to create the work on the page layouts. We are going to edit the page layouts, and then we are going to create the lightning app. See, these are the, sorry, validation rules. Okay, once fields and relationships are done, validation rules, and then we are going to work on the page layouts, updating page layouts, guys. Okay, and then after the page layouts, we will be creating the lightning app, I think. Yes, sorry, flow. We are going to work on the flow. It is a simple record trigger flow. Yeah, and then lightning app, users, profiles. These are the simple tasks, guys. Users, profiles, and then roles, reports, and dashboards. That's it. Nothing else. See, users. We can do it within few minutes. Complete these tasks. So next, reports and dashboards. That's it. So dashboard. So this will be the final output, and you have to drop the screenshots, guys, after testing each and every Salesforce feature. Yeah, it's ready now. So just click on launch. I'm just closing this. Yes. We are in a playground starter. Guys, is the playground starter visible to you? If it is visible, just raise your hand. Thank you for your wonderful responses. Yeah, you are very active. And then, see, if you want to create the objects, I'm just moving back to the second milestone object. And that is the activity one. We have to create the customer object, guys. See here, the instructions are given: setup, object manager, create, custom object, just like the previous projects. See, setup. Yes. And then here, go to the object manager, click on create, custom object. And then enter the customer, plural label name will be customers. See, and customer name will be the text. Okay, record name. See, it is customer name text. And we must allow reports and dashboards. Sorry, allow reports, field tracking history, search, activities, not dashboards. Allow reports, activities, track field history. And then you have to allow the search. Once this is done, we are going to click on save and new. Yes, it's done, right? Now we are going to create the next object. See steps, shipment object. And here it will be tracking number, guys. Record name will be. So just label name shipment, plural label name shipments. It's not start with vowel sound. And then here, instead of shipment name, we must go with the tracking number. And then here you are choosing the auto number and starts with the 0. Sorry, display format and starts with 0. Okay, and then you have to allow reports, activities, track field history, just like previous objects, guys. And then allow for search and save and new. Next, we are going to create the third object, that is delivery agent object. Okay, now delivery agents. And what will be the agent name? Text. Okay, this is the record name, guys. Standard field. Okay, label name. This is the record name. I want the agent name and it is text. And here we are going to allow the reports, activities, track field history. And then we are going to allow the search. Click on save and new. And next, we are going to create the branch. Okay, branches, right? And branch name. Yeah, that's correct. And here, allow reports, activities, track field history, allow search, and just click on save and new. Simple, right? Are you following? Guys, are you following? Yes. Thanks for your response. And the next object is the delivery update. And here, delivery updates. Standard field name is the update number. That must be auto number. This is update number. It is auto number. And the format is UPD. And starts with 0. And here, allow reports, activities, track field history. And then allow search. Click on save and new. And the next object, last object, is the invoice object. invoices. Yeah, vowel sound E. And then this is okay, invoice number, auto number. Not invoice name, invoice number, auto number. And that is INV 0 starts with 0. Once this is done, here we have to allow the reports, activities and track field history, allow search. And then we are going to click on save. That's it. Yeah, it's clear about object creation, right, guys? If it is clear, just raise your hand. Yes. Thanks for your responses. And our next activity, okay, milestone is creation of tabs, right? Just go to home and quick find box, search for the tabs. Home, quick find box, search for the tabs, select the tabs. See, under custom object, you have to click on new and you have to choose any style default settings and then click on it. So here under custom objects, just click on new. And then here, you have to choose the customer first. For which object we are going to create the tab? Customer object, right? Customer, shipment. Customer means obviously people. Yes. And then click on next. Yeah. Default values. So no need to edit. See, here it is not mentioned to do anything. Just to make it as default. Click on save. And just click on new one more time. And here now you're going to create branch. Tab style will be like building or building block. Click on next. And then just scroll down, click on next. Scroll down, click on save. Click on new. Delivery agent. Agent means people. We can go with the people. And then click on next. Just scroll down and click on next. Scroll down, click on save. Yes, we successfully created the 3 tabs. And again, just click on new. Guys, we create the tab so that we can access the objects in the user interface. Remember that. And in the objects, we store the information, records, data. This is about the delivery update. So updates means we can take the computer or paper, right? We can get the updates, right? Just like that. I'm choosing the computer. Yeah. And then just scroll down, click on next, click on save. Excuse me. Click on next and then choose the invoice. Yeah, invoice is also generated by the computer or a paper or desk. Okay. I'm choosing desk. Click on next. Next. Save. And then just click on new and choose the shipment object. Shipment. Okay, packing and everything. We can go with the okay. I'm going with the boat. Click on next. Okay. Click on save. That's it. So we successfully created the tabs for the 6 object. Yes. If yes, just raise your hands or show me thumbs up. If no, just show me thumbs down. Yes, we have done that. And our next one is the creating fields for the fields and relationships. It will take a lot of time. We must complete all the fields and validation rules before taking the break, guys. Okay, I'm doing it quickly because it is having 15 milestones. Definitely it require some time. Yes. So now we must create the fields here. See, list of fields are there and data types, everything is there. So first we are going to create the fields in the customer object and email. Okay, field label will be the email, data type will be the email, guys. So just go to the object manager. You can click the last modified or you can search it here and just choose the customer object. Go to, okay, the left pane. You can choose the fields and relationships. And once this is done, here we are having the new button. Just click on new. And you must choose the email data type. And scroll down. Click on next. And you are choosing the field label name as email, copy and paste it. Is it a required field, guys? Yes, it's a required field. Select it as required, click on next. Anything else is given? No. Next, save and new. And then we are going to create a phone field with the phone data type. It is also required. Just scroll down here, you can find the phone field and click on next. And here we are having the label phone and we have to make it as required. And just click on next, next, save and new. And then here we are having the next address. It is a text area and we must make it as required. Oh, address is also required because without address we are not going to deliver the project, right? Sorry, product or courier. So just scroll down here, you can find the text area and then click on next and enter the address and make it as required. Then just click on next, next, save and new. Now we are going to create the customer type. It may be regular type customer or business. It must be also required field. So just scroll down here, you can find the pick list. Just select the pick list data type. Scroll down, just click on next. And then here you are going to mention the customer type, enter the values. See, regular. And then you have to select the business. Yes. And we have to make it as required. We must know whether it is a regular courier or any business courier. Next, save and new. And we must collect the details like city, state, and we are not making these as a required fields. Okay. And here city, text, guys. Okay, for after customer type, we are creating the city. It scroll down here, you can find the text. And then just click on next. Here, enter the value as city. Okay, field label as city. Length, anything is given in the city. If it is not given, just go with the 80. No, okay, just go with the 50, not more than it will be there, right? It's not required. Click on next. Next. And save and new. Then we are going to create the state with the data type text. So here, text. Click on next. State. And here, obviously, we can go with state name with 30. And just click on next. Next. Save and new. Yes. And now pin code. It is also text, guys. We can go with pin code 6 digits actually, but we can go with 10. Or we can just go with the 6 also. In our India, the pin codes will be 6-digit length, right? I'm going with 6. Next, if it is different country, guys, it will be more than 6. So then you have to go with the 10. So save and new. If you want to go with 10 digit, you can go with that. It is active checkbox, guys. Is active. That will be created a checkbox. Whether this customer is active means is regularly using our courier service or not. That's the meaning. Checkbox. Click on next. Yeah, unchecked. And is it a required field? Not. Click on next. Next. Save. Yes, we successfully created all the fields related to the customer object. Yes? Are you following? If it is done, just raise your hands or show me thumbs up. If no, thumbs down. Yeah, it's done, right? Yeah, thanks for your responses, guys. Now we are going to create the fields for the shipment. See, these are the fields. Here we are having each and everything. So I'm going to follow 7. Okay, how many are there here? 1, 2. So here it is 10, guys. I'm going to follow the table because the list of fields here is very less. So for the first object, they clearly mention each and every field details, but here it is not. So I'm going to follow this. If it is a pick list, I follow the below details. That's it. So I'm following the table first. Okay, this is a relationship, right? Look up relationship, whether it is mentioned here. 1 second, I'll check about all the things. Yeah. Here he clearly mentioned about the relationships. So we can create the relationships later. So it's okay. Anything is okay. Now I'm following the given instructions. So okay, he's not mentioning the okay, we can create the relationships later. I'm following this. Yeah. Source address, text area. Guys, shipment source address. Okay, not on the same object. Object manager, you can search for the shipment here. Or you can just go to the last modified. Fields and relationships, click on new. And the data type is text area. Here you can find the text area, just select it. And click on next. Here we are following with the source address. Is it a required field? Yeah. It's required. Click on next. Next. Save and new. And then yeah. Now here we are going to create the next one as a destination address. It is also text area, but it must be required field. Means from address to address, guys, just like that. Text area. Click on next. Go with the destination address and make it as required. And then click on next. Next. Save and new. And then here we are going to create a number. Weight, guys. See, if it is a courier, definitely they will check for the weight, right? So based on the weight, the price will be there. So definitely you must choose the number data type to store the weight information. Okay, require. Weight, okay, leave it as it is. And you must make it as required. Click on next. Next. Save and new. And then price, currency, guys. Okay. Shipment price. So here you have the currency data type. Just choose the currency data type to store the price information. Leave as it is. Field name will be automatically populated. Is it a required? Yes, it's required. Definitely. Amount will be required field, right? Next. Save and then status, guys. See what is the status of shipment, whether it is booked, in transit, out for delivered, cancelled. It is a pick list. So just choose the data type as pick list. And once this is done, click on next. And here you are going to choose a status. And you have to choose enter values, and you're going to enter the values. Booked. Okay, don't copy the bullets. Bullet points, okay? Just copy the text. Out for delivery. Delivered. And cancel. Yes. Is it required? Yes, it's required. Just click on required. Once this is done, just click on next. Anything else is there? Nothing. Next. Save any. And expected date, guys. We are going to create the delivery date, expected date. That is the data type of date. And here you must choose the date data type. Yes. So once this is done, just click on next. Expected date. Yeah, we have to make it as required. Click on next. Next. Save heading. And shipment type, guys. It is a pick list. It is a domestic or international. Just go through the pick list. Data type, choose a pick list data type and click on next. Shipment type and enter the values. Domestic or means local or international. And then, is it a required? Yeah, it is also required. Click on next. This is the last field, guys. Next. Save. Yes. Are you following? Guys, if you are following, just raise your hands. Yes. Thanks for your wonderful responses. Thank you, each and everyone. And now we are going to create the fields for the next object, that is delivery agent. Okay, just object manager, go to and click on last modified, select the delivery agent, and here in fields and relationships, click on new. We are going to create the email. Okay, email field with the email data type, phone. Yeah, definitely we require the delivery agent information too, right? So we can call that person. The company requires everything. Is it required? Yes. Required phone, required. Click on next, next, save and new. And then we are going to create the phone field with the data type phone. Yes, here phone, and just click on next, enter the phone. Is it a required field? Yes. Sorry. And then click on next, save and new. Yes. And then we have to create the status, like whether that agent is active, inactive, or on leave. So definitely we must choose a pick list data type. Click on next. Status. Enter the values. Active. Inactive. On leave. That's it. Required. It's a required. And just click on next, next, save and new. joining date. It is a date, guys. Okay, when the agent, delivery agent joined in the company in particular branch. So it's a date. Choose the date. Click on next. Field label. Enter the joining date. Is it required? Yeah, it's not required. Just click on save. Okay, next, and save. Next, save and new. Yeah, that's it. We can cancel it. And then we are going to create the fields on the branch object. Object manager, last modified branch. And here we are choosing the fields and relationships. Click on new. Guys, are you following? Is it clear till now? Yes. Thanks for your responses. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your responses. See, we have to create the fields for two more objects. And once that is done, then we are going to create the work on the validation rules and then, yeah, page layouts, app, flows, everything. So here we have to create the see, all these are text. The steps are not given, just follow it. Branch name, it is all there, guys. So no need to create it. See, we are having the branch name. It's a standard field. And now you have to create the branch code, that is text. Yeah, it's required. So just copy this one, branch code. So click on new, choose the data type as text, and then just click on next, enter the branch code. Length will be, it is not mentioned, right? You can go with the 10 digits. That's enough for the branch code. Yeah, it's required. And just click on next, save and new. And then city, it is a text. So, go with the text and then click on next. City and length will be 50. It's a required. Click on next, save and new. And state is also required, guys. See? And manager name is not required. It is also text. And click on next. State, and it is 30. Yeah, just make it as required. And then click on next, save and new. And then it is manager name. It is also text. And then click on next. Manager name, length will be 80. It's not required. So just click on next, save. Yes. Done, right? And we are having two more objects. Yes. Correct, guys. We have to create the fields for the two more objects. That's it. Excuse me. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Now we are having the next object, that is delivery update. Yeah, here it is given pick list values for the status pick list and others. Mostly they are okay. This is the update number, standard object, no need to create. And shipment, yeah, we have this is a relationship field, guys. And here, if it is given the relationships, we can go with here once again. No need to create the relationship now. We are having the relationships later, right? So we can do that later. Or now we are having the delivery update. Sorry, we have to go with the delivery update object, right? Object manager, last modified, delivery update, fields and relationships. And status, it's a pick list. These are the pick list values. Click on new. Just scroll down here, you can find the pick list. Right. And just click on next. Enter the values. Status, okay, you must enter the values for the status pick list. In transit, out for delivery, delivered, delayed. Okay, delivered and delayed. It is a required, guys. Okay, you must make it as a required field. And the required means the end user must enter the values, guys. It's mandatory field. Save and new. After that, we are having the update date. It is a date and time. So you must choose the date and time and click on next. Here you can go with update date and it's a required field. And this is done. Click on next. Next, save and new. And remarks, guys, it is a text. And scroll down here, you can find the text. Just click, okay, select text, click on next. And remarks, length will be okay, 100. Click on next. Next, save. Yes, it's done. Now we are going to create the fields for the invoice object. Yeah, it's lookup. We are not going to create the relationships now. And yeah, invoice number is a standard field. No need to create. We have to create amount, invoice date, and the payment status. That's it. After that, we are going to create the relationships. And just go to the object manager on invoice object, right? Just last modified invoice, fields and relationships, and click on new. And here, amount is a currency. Yeah, currency. And then just click on next. Amount, yeah, leave it as it is. Is it required? Yes. Next. And next, save and new. And then invoice date. It is a date, right? Data type is date. Date. And just click on next. Enter the invoice date. And is it a required field? Yes. Click on next. Next. Save and new. Next one is the payment status. It is pick list. Here, just go to the pick list. Click on next. Enter the pick list. Enter the values. Okay, field name. Pick list field name as a payment status. And then here, the pick list paid, unpaid, pending. Yes. And is it required? Yes. We have to select it as required. And then click on next, next, save. Yes, we successfully created all the fields, guys. Now it's the time to create the relationships. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Yes, thank you, Yamuna, Aisha, Ayanarapan, Bhuvaneshwari, Deepa, Darshini, Divya, Kashika, Madhumita, Meenaka, Monisha, Rajamohana, Ramya, Sandhya, Saranya. Everyone, thank you. Ashifa, Gunashekar. Yes, thank you. Asia. Everyone, guys, thanks each and everyone. If I missed your name, sorry for that. And here, now we are going to create the relationships. The first relationship is on the go to setup. Okay, you have to go to the shipment object. You have to create the fields and relationships. Go to object manager, last modified, shipment object, and fields and relationships. Click on new. Here it is clearly mentioned lookup relation related is the customer object. Okay, choose the lookup and just click on next. And then here you have to choose a customer. C, just press C and search everything under customer. Yeah, we are having 2 customers. How to choose it? We can choose the second one, guys. Okay, it will be known. Yeah, choose the second one because there is a standard object too. That's the reason we can seek 2 customers. Okay, if anything is missing, we can connect the later. We are selecting the second one. Just be careful. Customer, and then yeah, we have to save it. Is it a required field? If we go to here, shipment object, see, most of the relationships are mentioned as required only, right? Shipment to the customer. Yeah, it's required. All the relationships are required, guys, here. Okay, just make it as required. And then just click on next. 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 Save as. Okay, don't go for save as. Just click on the save. I'll go to the validation so we can find it here. The relationships here. Shipment to customer is done. And the next one is shipment to delivery agent. It is also lookup. It must be required. Label name must be their customer, right? Here it is assigned agent. Yeah, sorry. And now lookup relationship. Click on next. Related to the delivery agent. Just search for the delivery agent. Click on next. And here you have to make it as assigned agent. And then click on save. You have to make this also required, guys. It's mandatory. Each and every field is required mandatory. Click on next, next, save. Yeah. We successfully created 2 relationships. Now we are going to create the third one, that is from delivery agent to the branch, and it is lookup. Label name will be branch only. So object manager, last modified, delivery, not delivery update. Last modified, deliver agent. So we are connecting, okay, each and every delivery agent, okay, from which branch he's working. Click on new. Here choose the lookup relationship. Click on next. Choose the branch B. Yes. Click on next. Yeah, it's a branch only. And you have to make it as required. And then click on next. 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 Save and new. Or save and new or save. Yeah, save. That's it. We are going to create another relationship, delivery update to shipment. So go to the object manager. Last modify, delivery update, fields and relationships. Click on new. And then here it is a master detail, guys. Previous all are lookup. Here it is a master detail and it is related to the shipment. So choose a second master detail. Guys, I hope you know the difference between lookup and master detail, right? And it is to the shipment, delivery update to the shipment. S, press S. You can find the objects related to the yes. Shipment, click on next. Any label name? Yeah, that's it. Shipment only, not mention anything. And we have to make it as, yeah, obviously if it is master detail means it is mandatory, guys. Next, save. And the last relationship is invoice to the shipment. It is lookup. Object manager, last modified, go to invoice, fields and relationships, click on new. And here you have to choose the lookup. Once that is done, click on next. And here you have to choose the shipment one more time. Yes. Click on next. That will be the shipment only, but we have to make it as required. Click on next, next, next. Save. Roll-up summary fields will be created only in the master detail, right? You know about it, right? We learned in the first project. Yeah, in the previous one also, we created roll-up summary fields. Most of the fields are roll-up summary fields. So, is it clear till now, guys? Guys, is it clear till now? Yeah, thanks for your responses, Abhinaya, Aisha, Darshini, and Ramachandran, Ramya, Madhumita, Madanisha, and everyone. Sharanya, Yamuna, guys, thanks for your responses. Ayanarapan, Dharaneshwari, Divya. Yes, thanks for your response. Yeah, it's clear, right? Yeah, thank you, Ravishankar, Priyadarshini, Rajamohana too, Gayatri, and Anu for your wonderful responses in the Q&A too. And now we are going to work on the next milestone, that is next Salesforce concept validation rules. If we want to apply any conditions or apply any criteria on the records of the object before saving it, for that reason, we'll create the validation rules. So here we are having multiple validation rules. We have to create it ASAP. Once the validation rules is done, let me check how far we can complete before taking the break. So this is fifth milestone only, right? So the first validation rule is on the customer object, and the rule name is a email required. Actually, we have already made it as required field, and why? Okay, it's double verification of the email required. And okay, and just yeah, if it is making required, guys, it's done. No need to go for this, but yeah, if you can learn how to do it, right? Invoice, okay. Object manager, we are going to create the validation rule on the customer object. And then just go to the scroll down here in the left pane. You can find the validation rules. Just select it. Yeah. Here you can find the new. Click on new. Okay, and enter rule name as email required. If email is blank, guys, you have to use the formula is blank. Check syntax. Error messages. Email is required. Error message. Email is required. Before that, is blank. So just search for I. Here you can find the I related one. Is blank. Inserted function. Insert field. Email. Just click on insert. See. This is the email is blank. And just click on the check syntax. No errors. And this is the email message. Error message. And where it will be displayed? Location field email. Here you have to choose a field and you have to choose an email field. Click on save and new. And validation rule, that is phone must be 10 digits. Okay. And here rule name is validate phone number. You know how to create the formula, right? So I'm just copying and pasting it now because we must complete everything. Length of phone number is not equal to 10. It will populate the error message, guys. Okay. And just check the syntax. Okay, no errors found. And now error message, phone number must be 10 digits, field, guys. And here you have to choose the field, address. So it is phone field. Click on save and new. And now validation rule, pin code must be 6 digits. Okay, we have considered the 6. So if you are creating any pin code, if it is means if you are mentioning 3, 2 also, it will populate the error, guys. That's the reason. So that is the maximum length we have given for the pin code. So we were making the pin code must be 6 digits. And here are the cost. Okay, validate pin code. The length which we are giving, it's only for the maximum length, guys. Yeah. And Now it is length of pin code is not equal to 6. It will populate the error message. Check the syntax. Once this is done, error message pin code must be 6 digits. Error message. Yes. And location field pin code. Yes. And then just click on save. Yes, we successfully created the 4 validation rules on the customer object. Yes. Now we must complete this validation rules activity before taking the break. Yes. So will be little fast. So we can complete it. Now we are going to create the validation rules on the shipment object, object manager, last modified, shipment. Just scroll down here, you can find the validation rules. And here rule name is validate wait. And it must be active. Yeah, obviously when you're creating, it will be active, guys. See, it is active. Validate wait. And then formula is weight is less than or equal to 0. Weight must be greater than 0. Check the syntax. Yes, no error found. And then error message. Weight must be greater than 0. And location, field, it is weight. Just field, and you have to choose a field as weight field. And click on save and new. That's it. Now we are going to create the validate price. Price must be not greater. Okay, it must be greater than 0, guys. If it is less than or equal to 0, then error must be populated. And here check syntax. Yeah, no errors found. And then error message is price must be greater than 0. And field price. Yes. And the other validation rule, save and new. Expected date must be greater than today, guys. If it is less than, okay, greater than or equal to today, some we can get same date, right? So it is at least today or the tomorrow or future. It should not be the past date. So validate expected date. And here you are choosing the formula expected date less than or equal to today. Check syntax, no errors. And then error message, expected date should not be the past date. Field, and you have to choose the field as a expected date. Click on save and new. Yeah, no need to save. Okay, cancel. So, guys, so is it clear about the validation rules? How we are creating the validation rules? Is it clear? Yes. Thanks for your responses. Now, we are going to create the validation rules on the delivery agent and then branch object and delivery update. Yeah, 3 more fields, 3 more objects. Okay, on 3 more objects, then we can take a break. So go to the validation, delivery agent. Last modified delivery agent. And then here you're going to create the validate agent email. It must be in the email format, guys. Just scroll down. Here you can find the validation rules just like below. Click on new, and here validation email agent. And this is not contains at the rate. Okay, it must contain the at the rate, guys. This is a simple, and enter a valid email address, error message, check the syntax, and validate error message. And the okay location is a email field. Just choose the email, click on save and new. Okay, that's it. Only one. Now, good. It's good. Now, coming to the fourth one, we are having only one. That is branch object. Just go to the object manager. Last modified. Go to the branch object. Scroll down validation rules. Click on new. And then here, we are going to create the validation rule name as branch code required. Yes. And then formula is blank. Okay, if it is branch code is blank. And then check it, error message, and location field as the branch code. Yeah, it's branch code only. Just click on save. Yes, it's done. Now our next, okay, validation rule is on the delivery update. This is remarks required for delay. Object manager, last modified, delivery update. Scroll down in the left pane, validation rules, click on new and deliver. Okay, remarks required for the delay. And then here, if it is, okay, if the status is delayed, then remark should not be blank, guys. Check syntax, no errors, error message populate on the remarks only. Yes, that's it. Click on save. Yes, we successfully created the validation rules. Okay, is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Yes. Yes, right? Yeah, thank you for your responses. Now we can take a short break for. Okay, everyone must be back, guys, by 11:55. I'm going to give the break for 13 minutes. That's it today. Okay, everyone must be back by 13 minutes. I hope everyone is back to the session, right, guys? Yes? Yeah. Yamuna, Raja, Mohana, Divya, thank you guys for your responses. Now, okay, instead of wasting the time, I'm just going to work on the project because we must complete the project by 1 p.m. And there are more 10 milestones. Yeah, don't worry. Once the fields and relationships is completed, most of them will be simple milestones, guys. Yeah, here it is a small record trigger flow. Definitely we can do it. So we have to edit the page layout. So we have to edit the customer page layout. And if we find the screenshots, it was better, but there are no screenshots for this. Let me. Okay, just make sure that we are going to objects, object manager, last modified, customer object, and in the left pane, guys. Okay, in the left pane, we can find the page layout. Just click on page layouts. And here there will be a standard page layout. So see here we can find the, it's not working. Yeah, I'll not use this one. One second. Yeah, here we are there. Go to the setup page. And I'm just increasing the font size. Yes. And in the object manager, last modified, customer object, page layouts. Okay, you have to edit the existing page layout. And then you have to drag and drop the section. So here we can find the customer layout, default layout, and here we have to drag the details, customer information section. And in section 2, address details. And in the section, that's it. Address details and customer information, only 2 sections. See, here we are having the information, right? Just click on edit here instead of, okay, it's a standard, we can't edit it. Okay, that is the customer information. Just drag and drop the section here and just name it as a address details. And we have to choose, okay, detail page, 2 column, left top, okay, just default values. And once this is created, and just move this back up, okay, palette, and then just drop the address details, guys, like address, city, state, and address, pin code. Yes, the others information will be there here itself. Oh, yeah, it's clear, right? Now, just click on quick save and save. And then go to the object manager. Now we are editing the shipment page layout. Here already we are having that information. We have to add the another section, address information and the delivery information. 2 more sections for the shipment object. Just okay. Last modified, go to the shipment, and here go to the page layouts. Click on edit, and then here just okay. Just come to the here system information, drag and drop section, and this is a what's the name? Address information. Just copy and paste it. 2 by 2, okay. And drag and drop one more here. And that name is a delivery information. Yes, okay. And just move the palette. Okay, close the palette. And you need to drag and drop the fields accordingly. See, tracking number, source address. Yeah, source address means address information. Destination address, delivery info address. And what's the pay? Okay, shipment type. Who will be the assigned agent? We can do it here. The fields information is given. So for delivery information, okay, address information, source address, okay, destination address. So it is not delivery address, right? It's delivery information. So source address, destination address, and expected date will be delivery information, and then assigned agent, and anything else. Yeah, expected date, assigned agent, and then you can drag and drop other fields. The customer, yeah, that's it. Click on quick save and save. Go to the object manager and edit the delivery agent page layout. And here, yeah, we'll have the information, right? The agent details will be there. And in additional information, related shipments, related delivery updates. Yeah, there is no need to see. This is the order you must. No need to create any sections, guys. Page layouts, and just click on edit. So the order must be agent name, email, phone, branch, and status. That's it. We have to check branch and joining date. We can move here. Yeah, that's it. Quick save. Save. It's done. Next, branch page layout. There are no sections. Just branch name, branch code, city, state, manager. These fields must be arranged. That's it. In the order. Last modified, branch object, page layouts, edit, and just scroll up. Branch name, branch code, city name. Yeah, it's same. Quick save. And then delivery update. Yeah, we have to check the fields. Update number, all those things are there in the order or not. Last modified. It's delivery update. Page layouts. Guys, is my screen visible to you? Yes, right? Yeah, thank you for the confirmation. Edit. Page layouts. Sorry, edit. And then make sure the fields like update number, status, update date, remarks, shipment. Shipment must be moved to the second one. Position. And then we'll have the update date and status remarks. Yeah. These are as it is. Sorry, just drag and drop. Click on quick save. Save. Yes, it's done. See, our sixth milestone is done. Okay, if you want to invoice, the same way, do the invoice, guys. Mostly everything will be same. Object manager, last modified, invoice, fields and, sorry, not fields and relationships, page layouts, invoice number, shipment, amount, invoice date, payment status. Edit. Okay, just move it, scroll, okay, close it. See, invoice number, amount, shipment, you have to go, okay, payment status, invoice date, you can add it here also. Yeah, just quick save. Save. Yeah, excuse me. Now it's done. We successfully created the update. Okay, edited the page layouts. Now we have to create the flow. This is a record trigger flow. It's a small flow. And then just copy the flow. Home, setup page, flows. And then here you have to click on new flow. Here you have to choose the record trigger flow. And then yeah. Once you have choose the record trigger flow, then you have to make sure choose a object that is delivery update, and when a record is created, conditions are none, select actions or related records. So delivery update. Object is delivery update, guys. And when a record is created, yes, conditions are none, actions are related records. That's it. And just close this window. And here, just click on the plus icon. Here, from here, we have to search and select the update records element. Okay. Update records. See, update records, not triggering record or something, just update records. And then after selecting this, here we have to choose. Okay, enter the label as the update shipment status. And once this is done, how to specify the records, select specify conditions to identify the records. Specify conditions, guys. This one, fourth option. And then set filter, shipment ID equals a record, current triggering shipment ID. So object shipment ID. See, here you have to work on the shipment object, right? See, object shipment. See, shipment. And here, ID. See, field ID equals this record ID. See, record ID, guys. Instead of ID, you have to choose a record ID equals to current triggering. You have to select the triggering, guys. See, triggering delivery update. Here you have to choose a record ID. Yeah, that's it. Delivery update record ID. Once you have choose a okay, ID of this must be equal to the shipment. Sorry, not the record ID. Triggering, and then you have to choose a shipment. This one. Yes. If you just click on here, you can see record shipment same. Yeah. Done. Then what are the fields you are validating? You are updating like status. You are fetching the status from the update. Okay, delivery update status to the shipment status. You are updating the status. This is a delivery update status. Yes, that's it. Current triggering delivery update status. And once that is done, click on done. And then just click on, you have to save this flow. Yeah. There is no done, no need to select done. If it is no done, just close it and click on save. Flow label name, API name will be automatically populated. Yeah, that's it. Click on save. See, once this is done, see, these are the conditions we have given. Activate it. Click on activate. Yeah, it's done. See, it's simple. It's a simple record trigger flow. That's it. Now we are going to create the Lightning app. And you know, right, you have to go to the app manager. We'll create the Lightning app so we can set what a user can access in the user interface. Just close it. Guys, is it clear about the flow? Yes. Is it clear about the flow? Yeah. Thank you, Abhinaya, for your response. Kashika, Ramya. Yeah, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks, each and everyone. Yeah, I got more than 10 responses. It's good to see. Yeah. Thank you, Divya, Madhusri, and everyone. Amuda, Ravishankar, Priyadarshani, everyone, guys. And now just go to, okay, search and select the app manager. And here you have to go create the Lightning app, but you must upload one okay, image before, guys. Enter the app name as a courier management system. Enter app name as a courier management system. You can upload the file and click on next. Default values. Click on next. Default values. Click on next. Here you have to choose the objects. Customer shipment, customer. See, we have created the red color people, right? Customers, this one. And now, you based on the logo, you can identify it. Shipment, shipments, yes. And then delivery agent, yes. And then branch, yes. Branch. And then delivery update, yes. And then invoice, invoices. We have chosen the desktop, guys. Choose the desktop. Based on the icon, you have to choose the object, type of the object. Next, reports, yes. And then it is dashboards, yes. It's done. Now click on next, and here you have to search for the system administrator. Add it, yes. It's added. Just click on save and finish. Simple, right? We can create a lightning app within 5 minutes. Once the app is done, now we are going to create the profiles. Here you have to create how many profiles, guys? Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Till lightning app? Yes? Yes, thanks for your responses. And now we have to create, oh, 3 profiles. Wait, 4. Yeah, we have to create the 4 profiles. Yeah, we can do it quickly. No worries. This is the 9th milestone. See, more 6 milestones are left. Profiles, here we have to create the custom profile, that is courier admin, and it is cloned by the system administrator, guys, existing system administrator. So app manager, go to the profile, okay, search and select the profile. Excuse me. And then here just go to the system administrator. Okay, S, okay, search for the S. Here, see, you can find system administrator, just click on clone. And here you have to mention the courier admin, click on save. The profile name is already in use. Okay, I think it just now I say click on saved. That's it is created. That's it. So we created the customer courier admin. See, it's available now. Once it is available, yeah. Why use system administrator as base? Because he will have the all profiles. So also all access levels, more access levels. So you can modify data, customize application. You can fill the CRUD access to all objects. He will have full CRUD access. And now we are going to create the branch manager. And this one, no need to edit it, guys. That's it's done. It must be cloned by using the standard platform user. So go to yes. And here you have to choose a standard platform user. Click on clone. Yeah. Branch manager. Click on save. Once it is done, you have to edit the branch manager profile, guys. See, set app and tab settings. Under assigned apps or custom app settings, set the default app to courier management system. See, now click on edit. See, here we are having the custom apps, right? Here we must make courier management as a default. Courier management as a default. Okay. And then once that is done, ensure visible tabs include customer shipment. Okay, will everything, every object is visible. And coming to the, so all objects are visible. Yeah, definitely objects are visible, guys. All. It's not tab hidden. And then, okay, you have to go to the customer object, you have to just scroll down, go to the objects, custom objects. Here you can find the custom objects. See, here you can find the custom objects. Customer, create, read, edit. Customer, guys, create, read, edit. That's it. And shipment, create, read, edit. Not this one. Shipment, yeah. Read, edit. And then branch. Okay, sorry, delivery agent, read and edit. Delivery agent, read and edit, but he can't create it. And then branch, read and edit. Branch, yes, read and edit. That's it. Delivery update, create, read, edit. Delivery update, create, read, edit. And then invoice, only read. Invoices, read. Yeah, that's it. Once this is done, then you have to go to the session and password settings, making timeout as, yeah, this is 2 hours only. Scroll down. Never expires, minimum length 8. Yeah, it's minimum length 8. See, here you have to select never expires. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Scroll up and you have to click on save. Yes, it's done. Now we have to go work on the third profile, that is delivery agent profile. It must be cloned using the standard platform user only. There is another way, guys. Just go to the profiles. Here you can click on new profile. Here you can choose standard. Okay, platform user, and enter your profile name. Click on save. This is another way we can create the profiles and delivery agent name, right? So here for delivery agent, you should have the access for shipments and the delivery updates. That's it, not about the others. So click on edit. Default will be the default app will be the courier, and then tabs like he must have the access for the shipment and delivery updates. So if it is customers, see where we are having customers. It's order wise. Yeah, here we are having the custom tab. See, branches tab hidden, customers it's tab hidden, delivery agents. Yeah, no need to know the delivery agents also. Only shipments and delivery updates. So delivery updates on. Get your login credentials. Yes, you can get the login credentials. Install a package. Invoices. No need. Tab hidden. And then shipments. Yeah. And welcome. Yeah, just welcome, right? All the others will be hidden. And once it is done, now object permissions. See, we have visible types are 2. I think by mistake it is given related to the customer and this, but don't worry, just delete this. And here, just go to the custom apps, because those are hidden. We can't give the access, guys. It will not be visible. So read, edit, create, read, edit. For shipment, it is read, edit. Yes. And then for delivery update, create, read, edit. Yes. That's it. Invoice, read. Okay, if someone is giving invoices and customers. If he gets some access. Next, that's it. And then no access to delete permissions. Yeah, just save it, guys. Click on save. And a fourth custom profile, that is customer support. It is cloned using the standard user profiles. Yes. Here you have to choose the stand. Okay, not. Yeah, just click on clone. Customer support, click on save. Once it is done, tabs must be visible, only 3 objects. Edit. We have to make See custom apps, courier management. Where is courier? Yeah. Courier must be default. And then tabs settings. Here we can find the custom tabs. Just scroll down. Yes. Here under custom tabs, the visible tabs are customer shipments, delivery updates. Only 3. Tab hidden. Tab hidden. Tab hidden. Tab hidden. Yes. Customer shipments, delivery updates. Yeah. Shipments, customers, delivery updates. Yes, that's it. And other permissions like for customer shipment and delivery updates, we are giving read, edit, and read out. Just scroll down. Customers, read, edit, delivery updates, read, edit, invoices, read. Yeah. Click on save. Yes, it's done. And now we are going to create the roles. Is it clear till now, guys, how to create the profiles and everything? Is it clear till now? Yes? Yeah. We are having around 40 minutes. We must complete the project within the 40 minutes. And there are 6 more milestones. Yeah, we can do it quickly. Don't worry. Roles. So here under roles, search and select the roles, and you have to create the courier admin under CEO. See, under CEO, you are creating the courier admin. And after that, you have to create branch manager under courier admin. Yeah. Profile, search and select roles. Click on setup roles. Here, expand all. And then under CEO, just click on add role. And here you are going to add the courier admin role. Okay. And anything else? Nothing. Click on save. Once this is done, we are going to create the branch manager under courier admin, guys. So roles, setup roles, and see here we are having the courier admin, right? Just click on add role, branch manager, save. Once this is done, now we are going to create under branch manager delivery agent role. And we are going to add customer support also under branch manager. And just use roles, setup roles. See, we have courier under branch manager. Click on add role, delivery agent, save and new. Because on the same, right, we are saying save and new. And next one is a customer support. Yeah, save. That's it. It's the easiest way to create the roles. Once this is done, you have to create the users. See, guys. See, for if it is a ARG, you will have the 3 Salesforce licenses and 1 ARG Epic and system administrator will be there, 3 or 4. And you can create only 2. If any, while creating the user, okay, users, if you are not create under the same Salesforce license, you have to deactivate the existing one and you can create the new user, guys. That is a hint it is given. Like, for example, go to the users, click on select the users, and you have to click on new user. This is the activity 1, and in activity 2, you have to create the user, guys. Okay, these users, and see if you follow it, you can just go for it. And now, first one user, guys. So under users, first name is Ravi. You can use your friend's details also. Okay, it's not like you have to use these names only. You can use your friend's details too. Alias name will be automatically. And then you enter your personal mail ID, guys. And username at the rate of text.text.com. So you can mention Ravi at the rate of smartbridge.com. And nickname Ravi. Okay. You can give any nickname and role courier admin, license Salesforce profile. See, courier admin, license Salesforce, and you can give the courier admin profile and click on save. Yes, we can create it. Say under Salesforce license, one user, right? Now go to the users. And if we are going to create the other user under the Salesforce license for the branch manager, we can't find the Salesforce license, guys. See, there is no Salesforce license because the limit is okay, it hits the limit is exceeded. So cancel. And now let's go edit the, first you have to create the Ravi and edit the Ravi and inactivate it. Okay, deactivate it and just click on save and new. Now Salesforce licenses will be released. You can, if you want to log in as a courier admin, you can log in just by making him active, guys. At that time, you have to deactivate the branch manager. That's it. So here, for example, Arjun, and last name will be ready. And here you have to give your valid mail ID and username will be like just I'm making as arjun@smartbridge.com and nickname Arju and then full profile branch manager. Branch manager. See, now Salesforce is available. And yeah, we have to choose where is the branch manager. Under, okay, we are having under Salesforce platform, I think. Branch manager. If it is a Salesforce platform, no need to deactivate the other one. So in a similar way, you can deactivate, guys. So in a similar way, you can create other users. Duplicate username Arjun123. Okay, just 1, 2. Just click on save. That's it. It's done. So in a similar way, while creating the users, you can deactivate the existing one, just create it. Yeah, this is the way you're going to create the users. You can create it by yourself because we must complete this project and I have to show how to do the other things. So you can go for the others, guys. Delivery agent, customer support, you can create the other users by yourself in a similar way. And once it is done, now go to the app launcher and just search for the courier management system and close this one. Yes. See, before going to create the reports and dashboards, we must create the records. Go to customers, click on new. I want some names, customer names. Like I'm going with Yamuna. Okay. Yamuna. Email ID. See guys, if you are sending any mails, we can go, okay, we have to give our valid mail ID. Here we are not sending any mail, so you can use the yamuna@gmail.com. Phone number, it must be 10 digits. If you are violating it, see, regular, just click on save and new. See, address, okay, address is mandatory. It must be active. City, okay, with city I can say like it will be Madurai. And then state, Tamil Nadu. Okay, I'm just giving that. Address, I can copy this one. Okay, but you have to provide your house number in the address, but I'm not providing it. You can provide it, guys. Pin code 508976. Okay, just I'm trying to save and new. See, phone number must be 10 digits. In this way, you have to validate the okay, check the each and every validation rule whether it is working or not. And then you can take the screenshots and drop it in the testing. Okay, functional testing. Just click on save and new. And in the same way, I'm going to create the another customer that is named with Madhusri. And here I'm just giving, because we are not sending mails. So that's the reason I'm using it, guys. Otherwise, if you are having any scenario to send the mails, we must enter the valid mail ID. Yeah. Customer type, regular, is active, city, it's not mandatory. I'm saying like Chennai. Click on save and see, we'll get the error message for the pin code because pin code is mandatory, 6 digits. Okay, 508976. See, in this way, you have to create the customers, guys. Okay, you can create 10 records. Okay, in this way, you have to create the 10 records in each and every object. Then go to the shipments. Okay, before that, see here we are having the okay, here just okay. I'm just going to ship the product and related to the Yamuna and weight if it is 1000 grams. Okay, and price it is 100 and status it is booked and source address from Chennai. Okay, and it is to Madurai. And expected date, it will be, selecting, okay, 2 days. Assigned agent. If you want the delivery agent, we have to create the delivery agent. You can just click on there. And here for agent, I want to choose one of your name like Ravi Shankar. Okay. Ravi Shankar will be the agent. And email ravi@gmail.com. And then phone, it's mandatory branch. Okay. Not yet created, right? Okay, we can go to the branch. So create the branch fields, guys. Chennai branch. 1 second. Here, okay, we can choose the branch. Okay, I'll choose. Branch name is Chennai to Madurai, right? So definitely we want Madurai. Branch code 12345. City, Madurai. State, Tamil Nadu. Manager name not necessary now. So status, he's active. Okay, these are the information related to the delivery agent and just click on. So in this way, you have to create, okay, shipment type. You have to choose a shipment type. It is domestic and click on save. See, if you are just miss something, definitely you're going to face the errors, take the screenshots and submit it. This is the way you have to create the records for each and every shipment, guys. And now go to the reports. Now go to the reports. And here, we are going to create the report. Okay. Create report types. Oh, okay. Before going to create the reports, we have to create the report type, guys. And then we are going to create the reports. Yeah. I'll start working on it. Now, try to create 10 records in each and every object, at least 3 branches, 5 delivery agents, 10 to 20 shipments, 10 to 20 customers. And okay, for each and every shipment, you have to create the invoice to see the shipment 0 and what's the amount. It will be 200 something. Payment status paid, invoice date, yeah, same date you can go with. Click on save. That's it. Okay, for each and every shipment, you have to create the invoices. If it is 20 shipments, 20 invoices, create them. And just go to the setup page. Guys, is it clear now? Are you following? Are you following? Yes, thanks for your responses. And now we have to create the report types. So search and select the report types in the setup page. Once it is done, now we are going to create the report type for the shipment. Label as shipment tracking report. Just click on continue. New custom report type. Yeah. Label as a shipment tracking report. And object, primary object as shipment. Okay. And then category reports. See, store in category, we have to select the reports, guys. See, we are having other reports, right? You can choose other reports. And then deployment status, deployed. Description, we can copy this one. Deployed. Click on next. Once it is done, and then just click on save. Why? For the same object, why it is creating the report types? And if it is by the customer summary report, need guys, if it is related to the same, actually it's not necessary. Okay, you will learn how to create the report types. We can directly use a customer, guys. It is agent, delivery agent is a agent performance report. So I'm making for the customer summary so that you will not get confused. And here, that's it. Report types, continue, new custom report type, choose the customer. See, we are having the double underscore API name, that is customers, and label name as a customer summary report. And then description, yes, category, other reports, and then reports, deployed. Yes, click on next, save. Okay, you can try to create the other two. It's not necessary actually, other one or two. And now I'm going to create the report. Just go to the reports tab, just refresh it. And here, click on new report. Okay, reports. Click on new report. And then you have to choose the shipment tracking report. Just close this one. Okay. Shipment tracking report, you can find it. Yes. And just click on start report. And here, you have to add the columns tracking number, customer status, expected date. Tracking. Customer status. Okay, customer name. And then status. And then expected date, assigned agent. Yes. Just enable the agent. Yeah, we got it right. And here you have to add the filters, all shipments this month. Okay, instead of my shipments, you can go with the all shipments, apply. Current date, instead of current FQ, you can go with the this month. Yeah, this month. Click on apply. And then in group by rows, you have to select the status. Go to the outline, group by rows, you have to select the status. See? And see, make sure that the shipment status is different, guys. Booked, okay, delivered, something, okay, cancel something, and then save the report. And just click on save and run. Here, save it as shipment status summary, and unique name will be automatically populated. Just click on save. That's it. And then you're going to create the agent performance report. If we have created agent performance report type, we can use it. Yeah. Otherwise, directly you can use the delivery agent. Okay, just go to the reports, new report, search, okay, all. Delivery agents, click on start, and then okay, automatically enabled. And what are the fields that must be displayed, guys, for the delivery agent? Agent performance, agent name, branch, number of shipment, status. Agent name, branch, number of shipments. Okay, it's not there. I think it's status. Status. Are we doing anything here in the agent? Nothing else. We are not applying anything. Okay, just create the report type. Otherwise, okay, shipments. Yeah. And then otherwise you can choose. And in here, do you want to do any group by rows? Filters, all shipments this month. Go to the reports, discard, click on new report, on. This is about the delivery agent. See. Just create the simple report, guys. No issues with that. Go with the delivery agents and with, okay, shipments with the delivery updates we are having. Start report, just like previous one, you can choose the branch and you can choose the status. And here you can apply the filters, all delivery agents. And here you can go with the, and okay, all time. And then go to the outline. Here you can make the group by based on the branch. Okay, we can find the branch information for each and every branch who will be the delivery agents. Just click on save and run. And here you can find the agent report. Okay, delivery agents report. Save it. That's it. Do this one. It's okay. And now, shipment status summary, we have created it, right? We can reports, new report, all shipment status. Where is the shipment status? Yes, no. Shipment tracking report, right? So shipment tracking report, click on start. And then here, tracking number, customer status, expected date, assigned agent, tracking number, customer name, expected date, status, and assigned agent, right? Assigned agent, yeah, that's it. And after that, all shipments this month, choose all shipments. And you can choose instead of FQ, current FQ, you can go with the this month and apply. And once this is done, and then status, group by status, add summary on price. Okay, outline, here you have to add the price too, guys. Okay, price field, and then group by status, right? Yes, group by status. If you are when you are creating multiple records, here you can find it. Here you can use the summarize and sum. That's it. And then just click on save and run. Shipment status summary. Yeah. Just click on save. That's it. If you want to get the correct graphs, you have to create minimum 10 records, guys. And you can go with the agent performance report. Yeah, it's done. Sorry, this is a revenue branch by report, right? Sorry. Edit. You can change it to the revenue branch by report. Amount, right? You are dealing with the amount. So that's the reason. Save and run. Oh, excuse me. That's it. It is about the reports. Now we are going to create the dashboard. Okay, I'm making it is a simple dashboard for each and every dashboard. Okay, just go to the dashboards. Click on new dashboard. What's the dashboard name? You have to add the 3 reports, guys. That's it. Courier management dashboard. Description not necessary. Create. And you have to add the 3 reports. One is for the donut, and the second one is a bar, and the third one is a column chart. So add chart, and first report is a agent performance. You can go with, and here you can choose the related one, or if you want, you can go with the like this also. And if you want to do any changes, you can go for it. You can choose lighting or dark themes. And in the agent performance, next add widget chart, and the next is the okay, shipment overview. Select. You can go with the pie, add. You can drag and drop here, and then you are going with the agent performance shipment revenue by branch. Select. Here you can choose bar lines, or you can use line, anything, gas, it's up to you. Just add this one here. Yes, that's it. If you want to choose different lightning themes, you can go for it. And once this is done, click on save, click on done. That's it. We successfully created the reports and dashboards. You can drop these. See, if you create multiple records, these will be the screenshots, guys. You have to test it and you have to submit it. This is about the project development. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Just let me know, is it clear? Yes, thanks for your response. And now, here, okay. Now I'm going to explain about the project submissions. What are the things you must submit one more time for this in this video? See, if you are not having any GitHub account, just go to the GitHub account and log in and create it. Once you are having it, just go to, okay, let me check. I am having the GitHub account and the other account. So just log in into it. Otherwise, you can sign up it, guys. Yeah. I'm going to share the GitHub account screen. Yes. See here. So click on new. Your project title like courier management. Okay, courier management system. Description. Public. Make it as public. README file. Click on create repository. Once you have created the repository, you have to submit this URL, guys. This URL. Okay. here, the URL, this URL you have to submit to your college faculty. And once you have done, you can click on add. Okay, before this, okay, you have to make the documentation, you have to follow the PDF document which you have given. In that, you have to update your screenshots, and you can add more problem statements, and you must update the information in the planning status. And once all these are done, okay, you can, after modifying the documentation, you can save it as a PDF document or demo, okay, Word document. You can just upload the file, click on choose your file, you can choose your document, and once it is added, now you can choose your file. You have to make a demo video in which you have to present your project. You have to explain it in user interface, enter the records, test validation. Okay, test it. Show me validation rule is working or not, your flow is working or not, and show me everything. Once everything is done, you can explain about the back end, explain it in your own voice. Any one of the team member can explain the project, or everyone in the team can involve while explaining the project. You can use Google Meet, Zoom, or Loom for recording your project. And but just like how I am going explaining each and everything, like while inserting the records, so you have to share. You must share your screen. Okay, don't make a demo video of 2 hours, 3 hours while project implementation. We don't want it. And the video, okay, demo video minimum uh, length is 5 minutes and maximum will be 10 minutes. You can make a demo video of 5 to 10 minutes. You can upload that demo video file. And once you have uploaded, you have to click on commit changes. That's it. Submit a documentation and demo video. Submit your Git repository URL to your college faculty. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Yes. Do you have any queries? If you are having any queries, you can. Ma'am, I create playground name as career manager. You can add your team members, guys, but try to create the Salesforce developer app, because I already used my 2 email IDs to create the accounts for the previous 2 projects. That's the reason I'm using the playground now. You can directly create the R, guys. Yes. Anything else? Guys, you will receive the YouTube links and everything from the admin. Yes, you will receive the recording through your college faculty, guys. Don't worry about it. Yes. Any more queries? More 5 minutes. If you are having any queries, you can. Deadline, March 8th. Guys, for each and every project, out of 5 projects, if you are enrolled for any one of the given 5 projects, the deadline is March 8th. Okay, on or before. Okay, you can do it. See, as a team, you can build the project and make update the documentation and make a demo video within 1 day, right? See, I'm building the project as a single person within a span of 2.5 hours, and I'm answering your queries. So definitely you can also complete your project within 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, as you are new, it may take 3 hours. If others are so involved, see, multiple persons are involved, you can do it in 3 to 4 hours. And see, once the objects are created, if there are 5 team members, each person can share their fields. And okay, which objects they can do it, they can parallelly create the fields on the same arc. They can log in their own laptops with the same username and password for the arc. It will save the time. Don't go for the playground. See, if you go to the playground, each and everyone must have the trailhead link, Gmail information, if you want to log in it, or you have to fetch the username. So that will be a headache. So directly create arc. If there are 4 objects, 4 members can create the fields for each for one object. And if any extra objects are there, someone can go for it. So instead of 1 hour, you can do it within 20 minutes. So share the work. One can create the flow, one can update the page layouts, one can work on the validation rules on one object, the other can work on the validation rules on the other object. Yeah, if you do like that, you can do it within 2 hours. Less than 2 hours, guys, definitely. So go for it. Yeah, as a team, you must see, if there are 3 members, 4 members, 2 members, or 1 member, or 5 members in a team, we want one project per one team. And you have to submit one documentation, and you have to upload one documentation and demo video in a GitHub URL. It may be team leaders GitHub account or team member GitHub account. Submit your GitHub URL to your college faculty. That's it. Audio records available. Guys, I didn't get you. You will get the recording of this session. Ma'am, is this our last task? If we complete this project, we don't have to do anything else. I think if you completed your trial mix, guys, I don't know. Check with your admin and see if trial mix link is shared. You must complete the trial mix and the project. If these are done, yeah, definitely you're going to receive the certificate. Nothing else. Abhinaya, we don't want implementation video. We want demo video of duration 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. That's it. We don't want the implementation videos. Don't go for it. You can either pay if your video length is more, if you can't upload it in the GitHub directly, you can create a Google Drive, a folder in a Google Drive, give the sharing access, view access, and upload the documentation and demo video in your Google Drive, guys. That is also okay. And you can share your Google Drive link in the GitHub. You can share your Google Drive link in the GitHub. Yes, you have to submit your screenshots. Don't make sure that, see, please don't submit our project documentation as it is. We can identify the screenshots, like whether it's your teams or your friends' teams or whether it's ours. You're going to fail the project. You're not receiving the certificate. So if you want to receive the certificate, build the project, you can do. If you spend 1 day, guys, take the screenshots of your project. There you can have the, while entering the records. See, I'm sharing the screen. See, here we can find, see, Annapurna Beti, my name. And if you are creating the arc with the team member details, all the team member names, you can find it here, guys. Okay, when it is dashboards, we can find it in the dashboards. When you run the dashboards, when you are entering the records, if you click on new, here you can find your team members information. So based on that, we can identify like whether it's your project, whether it's your friend's project. If you're not submitting these screenshots, if you are submitting our project documentation as it is, then we will consider just like you have not implemented the project and you will be failed in the project and you will not receive any certificate. So develop the project, just spend 1 day. That's it. Nothing else. And any more queries? What we implement in documentation. Guys, just follow the document just like this. See, you are going to edit the, see, if you want to add anything in the previous phases, you can go for it. And in the planning phase, you have to update your team details. Don't submit like this. And you have to update your dates here. And from project development phase, upload your screenshots. Don't update, okay, modify any content, text. Just upload your screenshots. We don't want these highlighted things. Just submit your plain screenshots. That is enough. And submit each and every screenshot while creating. Once this is done, see, here we are not having the screenshots. See, we can know whether you're submitting or not. And then coming to the functional testing, here you can test the validation rule. Here you can test the flow. Here you can test your payloads. Yes or no, you can test it and drop the screenshots. So you will get marks, guys, for testing, documentation, demo video, for development, for each and every other phases, you will have marks. If you are not submitting it, definitely you are going to fail it. Fail the project. Trial mixing, I didn't get Ramya. You are saying in Tamil too. If you receive any trial mix, complete it as soon as the deadlines, guys. March 8th for everything. March 8th, on or before March 8th, you must submit your project. Try to submit on March 7th. Why are you thinking about March 8th? Submit on March 7th. Guys, evaluations will be strict. If you are not submitting your projects, you are going to get failed and you are not going to receive the certificate. Yeah, you can complete your task. You can submit the project, implement the project, submit the documentation and demo video. That's it. It's already 1:1. It's time up. Yes. Screenshots. Yes, for every phase. Not for every phase. Phase means for all the milestones, guys. You have to submit the screenshots for all the milestones and also functional and performance testing. That's it. Only for all the milestones in the development and the functional and performance testing. For these two categories, you must submit the screenshots. For other things, there is no need of screenshots. Yeah. That's it for today. All the best. Okay, enroll for any one project. Choose one project out of 5 projects. Give the details to your college faculty. They will give the video recording, session recording and documentation, PDF document. You can update it accordingly. You have to submit your screenshots. That's all for today. We can meet on Monday session, guys. Enjoy your holiday. Happy Sunday. Bye, everyone.